Today's job, this is our manual lubrication system of our power press. This needs to get some repair. This is the oil filler that can be placed like this. The oil pumps in this mechanism through this slot from the manual pump, and this is the drain. We pump the oil from this side. The oil gets filled from this hole into this tubes. When the tube's full, this will continue to lubricate the press parts slowly. This tube gets some crack, that's why the oil leaks from here. So we have put some sealant on top of this tube. The leakage has been stopped. So let's go ahead and assemble back all the parts. So first we will place this rubber seals inside these slots. This one is spare, so all the 4 seals have been placed. Now let's put the tube. That's the number 1 tube. This is the nut to hold this tube. Now put the second tube. Now the third tube that has been repaired. Now put the fourth one. This is the spare. Now all the tubes have been placed. Now fit these nozzles. The main purpose of this nozzle is that it doesn't allow the oil that fill in the tube to pass so quickly. Rather than this allows the oil to lubricate the different parts of the power press slowly. So these nozzles play an important role in controlling the time of the lubrication. Now all the parts have been fitted. Now you can get the clear idea how this lubrication system works. So it has the mechanical timings, and the oil flows from here, from the hand pump. Pressure from the hand pump fills all the tubes of the oil, and these nozzles are slow the flow rate of the oil that will pass from these all pipes to the different parts of the power press. so that during operation these tubes are filled, and the oil from these tubes slowly drains from them and pass to the different parts of the power press from all the pipes. So our part has been completely assembled and has been repaired, and it is now ready to go operational, and we will fit it into the power press.